out what price is doing in overall direction. All right, so let's check it. This is a break to this downside, telling us we are both bearish. We got a pullback, break to this downside that gave us break of structure. After this, we expected what? A pullback. But instead of pullback, price broke this high. By breaking this high here, what do we have? Karim, my first gifter, thank you very much. All right, Visus, thank you. This is what? Market structure shift, right? So the next thing we do is what? We identify our swing low, right? Then identify what? Our swing high. Good. After we've gotten this, what do we do next? Anybody? After we've gotten our direction, because we can see our direction right here, what do we do next? Visus, thank you. We mark what? Our key level. But before going to that level, what is our direction right here? Hey, Mr. Gbpusd, I see you. Mr. AB, good morning, sir. Welcome. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Okay, good. Mr. Austin, our direction is bullish, right? So after that, we want to mark our key level. We want to mark our key level. By doing that, we want to focus on high probability key levels. We don't need too many key levels. We want to focus on the key levels we can get high probability setup. Number one is what? Extreme order block. After extreme order block, which other key level do we have? Considering daily time frame, that wasn't a market structure shift. That was the main direction. My brother, every structure has eternal structure. Don't forget that. Okay, so the next one we see is what? Flip zone, which is this one right here. All right, now there is fair value gap, which is here, but this fair value gap have been used, so we are not going to pay attention to it. This fair value gap have been traded into, so we are not going to pay attention to it. So what do we do next? Is what? 4 hour. Is 4 hours, right? So that 4 hours now, what do we do on 4 hours? Anybody? What do we do on 4 hours? Thank you, Kofi. First choice, thank you. First thing we do is we clear our structure, because if we want to trade, we must understand the direction of 4 hours before we trade. We want to know what 4 hour is doing. Is 4 hour going to the breakout? Is 4 hour doing a pullback? Is 4 hour at a key level? These are things we need to find out. All right, now let's check the 4 hours. Kim, I see your gift. Thank you very much. This is pullback, breakout, pullback, and what? A breakout. So with what we have here, what is our direction? Anybody? What is our direction right here? Nakido, we are bullish. So what do we do next? Excuse me. We identify our high. Okay. Next thing, what? We identify our low. Okay. And what? Our breakout. Thank you very much. Now, what do we call this breakout right here? What do we call this breakout right here? Chicago, thank you. This is a break of structure, meaning that the trend, all right, meaning that the trend is bearish, right? Meaning that the trend is bearish. Now, guys, if we love what we are doing, all you can do to encourage me to do more is like, share, repost, and also comment. Commenting shows that you are supporting my life. So don't stay here and be dormant. When I ask a question, kindly join to give answer. That way you are supporting and encouraging me to do more. Then if you are joining for the very first time and you are not following, make sure you click that follow right now. Click that follow right now because you might not see us again on your FYP. Then if you are watching us from FYP, come in right now. Let's do this together. We'll be marking out key levels that we are going to get high probability setup. All right, I simplify market structure for everybody to understand. Now, I see you guys. Now, if you are just joining, comment new on the comment section. Comment new on the comment section for us to identify you and know how to help you to flow along with us. Thank you very much. So if you want to trade in a day, any day you want to trade, number one thing you want to do is find out the 4-hour direction. After finding the 4 hours, Zumbos, I see your gift. Thank you very much. After finding the 4 hours direction, you want to find out where price is going. Please don't forget to show your face. Thank you, Fresh Money. I did it from the beginning, so I'll still do it in the middle of the life. Thank you for reminding me. Okay. Now, after finding the 4-hour direction, the next thing we ask ourselves, what is currently happening on the 4 hours? Now, I will throw this question to everybody. What is currently happening right now on the 4 hours? Anybody? Guys, if you like what we are doing, make sure you click follow right now. Kido, thank you. Nakidos, pullback is what's currently going on 4 hours. Right? Now, as the pullback is going on, can anybody tell us how the pullback is happening? Can anybody tell us how the pullback is going on? Let's see those that understand what we do here. Yeah, pullback retracement. Can anybody tell us how it's happening? Mirasib, thank you. Pullback is going on by what? Eternal structure. Pullback is going on by eternal structure. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is what is happening on a pullback, right? Now, the next question we ask ourselves is, where is price reacting right now? Anybody? Where is price reacting right now? Order block, key level, thank you. So, extreme order block, thank you. So, all we want to find out is what is currently going on. As we can see, pullback is currently going on and price is what? Reacting at what? A key level. Now, a lot of traders will still be looking for a sell right here. A lot of traders will still be looking for a sell at this key level. But guess what? Most of them will end up trapping themselves because price have already tapped key level. What we are expecting to see is a continuation, right? So we mark our key level. Now, the next thing we ask ourselves is this key level tradable? How do we trade this key level? Anybody? 2 times trader, yes. Price have already passed flip zone. That's why we are not paying attention to it. Price have already passed it. All right, quick one, guys. We want to trade this key level, but because price is at a key level does not mean we should just fly in. No, we need a confirmation to trade the key level. What is that confirmation? All right, M65 said 15 minutes. Thank you. You see, for us to get a confirmation to buy this level, to buy from this level, we now drop down to 15 minutes. That is what time frame alignment is called. Someone say, I think I'll be joining here for signal every day. Don't wahala, keep joining for signal. The day where you go blow account, you go understand, as you know, online. Okay, so All we have to do is drop down to a 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we want to find out the direction, if we are still bullish or bearish. Are you seeing it? Because this is our key level where price is reacting. The next thing we want to do is to find out if price can give us a buy formation on 15 minutes. Some people think say na by showing signal. Don't worry, you go see signal, you go still blow account. You think say na by signal. All the people, all the signal wey don dey use all your life, you never blow. You still dey find signal. I dey wait for you. Keep following signal. No learn how to do the thing the right way. You think say na by signal. Come take signal. No sit down learn wetin other dey learn, so I go fit do the thing the right way. All right. Okay, say I think I'll be joining here every day for signal. I laugh you. Still say signal go help your life. Continue. No learn waiting other dey learn, so I go know how to do the thing the right way. It is not by telling you buy for here, you just buy and I finish, abi? All right, I dey wait for you. We dey here together. No worry. Shebi village people don dey whisper for your ear. I dey wait for you. Zumbus, I see you. Thank you very much. So we want to buy from this key level, right? But we cannot just jump in and start buying. We need a confirmation. We need a confirmation to know if we should buy from this key level. Now, what is that confirmation? That is where we now jump to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we can clearly see that price is bearish, right? We can clearly see that price is bearish. All right, price is bearish, right? This is breakout, pullback, and another breakout. Okay, from what we see right now, guys, is 15 minutes bullish or bearish? Anybody? Is 15 minutes bullish or bearish? Guys, come in right now. Let's do this analysis together. E trade breakouts, SMC, smart money, support and resistance. This is one of the best community where we take our time to map out structures and to look for high quality setup. So if you love what we are doing, come in right now. Let's do it together. And also click on that follow, because you might not see us again on your FYP. All right, so Chicago, thank you very much. We are bearish. 15 minutes is still what? Bearish. So what do? We identify the high, identify the low, and also identify what? The breakout. Do you see right now? Now, let me ask you guys, is it the right time to buy? Is this market ready to buy right now? Is this market ready to buy right now? We have over 450 persons. I want to hear from at least 100 persons. All I need is yes or no. Yes or no. That is what I need you guys to post. So, is this market ready for a buy right now? I just want to hear yes or no. If I don't get up to 100 comments, it simply means I am wasting my time here and I will have to leave you guys. Okay, so I need everybody who have 400, at least 100 commenting. Is this market ready for a buy right now? Simple yes or no. That is what I want to see. I am watching out the comment section and I'm counting with TikTok here. We have over 40 persons are commenting no. I want to hear from everybody. Is this market ready for a sell right now? Over 70 people is commenting. I want to hear from you guys. Just drop yes or no. Is this market ready for a sale right now? All right, good. 100, good. 100 persons are saying no. 100 persons are saying no, meaning that this market has not given us a buy formation. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. This right here is our breakout, which is break of structure. signals us that this market is ready for a buy. But right now, the market is not ready. It is not yet a time to buy. We are waiting for a candle close above this high. This is our low, right? This is our high, and this is what? Our breakout, meaning we are bearish. Now, this is the strong high holding this market from being bullish. So the moment we get a candle close above this high, guys, we are going to buy and target the whole of this high. That is what we are going to target. All right, so that is it on GBPUSD. Which other pair do you want me to review, guys? Quickly drop it on the comment section. Let's go, guys. You see what I'm teaching you right now? If you don't understand market structure, it will be very difficult for you to understand. That's why I take my time to simplify it. You need to understand market structure and time frame alignment for you to be able to do what we are doing right here. So if you love what we are doing and you are getting value, make sure you follow us right now. Call me from FYP and follow us. Let's do this together. We'll be showing you some currencies that are at high probability setup. We'll show you key levels that institutional traders and market makers usually come in. All right, so let's go to the bigness of the day. Comment the pair you want us to review. Now, I saw gold. Gold has the majority votes, so let's drop to gold. Okay, so right now we are going to analyze gold. Right now we are going to analyze gold. To analyze gold, what do we do? Majority went for gold, so let's analyze gold. To analyze gold, what do we do? Gold, Emmanuel, we clear our chart. Very necessary. We want our chart to be clear as clear chart, as naked chart. We want our chart to be as clear as naked chart for us to see clearly what is happening on the chart, right? Good. After clearing the chart, what do we do next? Okay, Ronnie, we'll drop to what? On daily time frame. We drop to what? Daily time frame. Now, after dropping to daily time frame, what do we do next? Smoke, thank you. We find the direction, we find the bias. All right, for the benefit of those joining us, we are going to do a top-down analysis, right? Let's find out the overall direction of gold. All right, so guys, what is the overall direction of gold right here? What is the overall direction of gold right here? Light, bearish. Guys, I can see over 900 people watching us from FYP. Guys, come in right now. Let's do this together. Come in, let's do this analysis together. All right, so we are overall did you say bearish or bullish? All right, let's find out if we are overall bearish or bullish. Now, this is a breakout, this is a pullback, this is what? A breakout. Now, if this is our high, okay, we identify this as our swing high. Okay, after our high, what do we look for next? We look for our low. We identify this as what? Our swing low. Now, where is the breakout? This is where the breakout happened. Okay, so what do we do next? We label this breakout as what? Break of structure, meaning that price has been bearish. All right, now let's do this for the benefit of those joining us afresh. Now, we had this breakout here. This was our breakout, but if you observe, we did not use this as our swing high. Can anybody tell me why we did not use this high here as our main swing high? Can anybody tell me why we did not consider this high as our breakout high? King. Because it's not valid. Pullback not valid. Good. Now, because the pullback is not valid, that's why we did not count this as what? In a structure. We did not count this as a structure because the pullback right here is not valid. It doesn't give us 3 candle pullback, and it didn't give us up to 50% retracement. Are you seeing it? So based on this, we cannot accept this as what? Our keyback, our pullback. So what happened? We will look for the next swing high, which is this high right here. So this happens to be what? Our next high. Now what this means is that this is our new high, this is our new low, right? And this is what? Our breakout. Say hello, bro, watching you from Dubai. Thank you very much. Now, after we've gotten our overall direction, which we agree is bullish, what do we do next? Our firm is watching you. Which firm is watching us, please? They want to dash me money? So what do you mean by 3 candle pullback? That is another thing you will learn for another day. I don't teach it here. Okay. Mark what? Key level. Mark what? Key level. All right. Vsauce, thank you. After we've gotten our new direction, which is our breakout, the next thing we do is what? Mark our key level. Is necessary. Mark our key level. We want to mark our key level because that is where we are expecting a high probability setup. Now, what do we call this key level? Traders in the house. What do we call this key level? Now, if you are watching us from FYP, come in right now. Let's do this analysis together. If you also trade breakouts, breakout, swing high, swing low, support and resistance, fair value gap, this is one of the best community to learn how to use them the right way. All right. So if you like what we are doing, you are getting value from what we are doing, click that follow right now, because you might not see us again on your FYP. All right, so let's continue the business of simplifying structure and time frame alignment. Thank you very much. This level right here is called extreme order block. Why is it extreme order block? Because inside this structure, it is the lowest swing high. It is the last second though before this structure started. So this place is going to be what? Our extreme order block. Now Kiskido crying. Why is he crying? Okay, now we want to buy from this level, right? We want to buy from this level, but we cannot just buy because price is here. We cannot just buy because price is at this key level. To buy from this key level, what do we want to see? Anybody? To buy from this level, what do we want to see? Guys, you should always look down. Can't you see this? Someone is asking me what time frame. Can't you see this? Okay, we want to see market structure shift. We want to see what? M formation. Right? This is what we want to see for us to be able to buy massively and target this new high. But now we have not gotten it. So let's check for the M formation. To get the M formation, what do we do? To trace the M formation, what do we do? Let me see who can help us here. Okay. Now, what we do is follow the eternal structure right here first. Follow the eternal structure. Follow the eternal structure. We want to see the eternal structure first, because we can see clearly the eternal structure is bearish. The eternal structure is bearish. So what do we want to see? We want to see this eternal structure shifting bullish. Are you seeing it? We want to see this eternal structure shifting bullish. What do? We identify the high. We identify what? The low. Okay. We identify what? The breakout. Now, with what we can see here now, what is the direction of our eternal structure? Anybody? What is the direction of our eternal structure? Right? Because you need to know how to do this thing the right way. Now, the direction of the eternal structure is bearish. Now, what this means is that it is not yet time for you to buy and take out this side. It is not yet time for you to buy. All you have to do is follow the eternal structure first. Okay, so let's break it down. After we've gotten our high, our low, and our breakout, what do we do next? Anybody? What do we do next after we've identified our high, our low? Kenzie, thank you. We mark our breakout. We mark what? Our key level. Now, we had two key level, which is this one, flip zone, right? Price already came to this key level, have done its reaction and rejected, which we traded, right? Now, price is coming up. What do? We are going to wait and see if we can get a sell formation right here. This is it. This is it. Now, the next thing we can do is to follow the candle range. To follow what? The candle range. From what we see here, these candles right here, what are they telling you? This candle right here, what is it saying? Anybody? Let's see those that understand candle range theory. What is this candle telling us? Bullish. Thank you. This candle is telling us bullish. What do? We mark the fair value gap. You see, this fair value gap has not been traded. Price have not come into this fair value gap. And we want to see price come into this fair value gap and reject. Are you seeing it? We want to see price come to this fair value gap. Now, this fair value gap is going to be our key level that want to see rejection. So what do? We mark it. All right. Now, what do we do next? Fair value gap aligned with breaker block. Kenzie, thank you very much. Yes, the fair value gap aligned with breaker block. What do we do next? All right. We drop to 4 hours. We drop to what? 4 hours. Now, on dropping to 4 hours, what do we do next? Anybody? What do? Immediately we drop to 4 hours. Guys, if you love what we are doing and you are getting value, make sure you are clicking that follow right now, because you might not see us again on your FYP. Right now, if you also trade breakout, SMC, smart money, all of them, come in right now. Let's do the analysis together so that you can see the high probability setup we are looking for, the key levels we are looking for together. All right, Sarah said clear our chart. Thank you. First thing first, we want to clear our chart. Now, we can only leave this one here. Right now, can anybody tell me why we are leaving this one here? Can anybody tell me why we leave this rectangle here? Why we kept this zone here? Anybody? Okay. Can anybody tell me why we keep? You guys are not giving me correct answers. Unmitigated, fair value gap, its point of interest, fair value gap. No, you guys are not giving me the right word. Key level. No, higher time frame, fair value gap, favor not touch. Point of no. It's fair value gap on daily. Thank you. That is what I want to hear. This is a key level from daily, which is the fair value gap from daily. So we are waiting to buy from here. shaking her full stop. All right. Now, after dropping to 4 hours, what do we do first? On dropping to 4 hours, what do we do next? Anybody? Kenzie, we find the direction, right? This was a breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, and another breakout. Okay? Now, the next thing we do after we find this pullback is what? What do we do next? Is we identify what? The key levels. All right, so this is our high. Okay. This is our low. So we identify this as our low. Identify this our high. And identify our breakout. Right now, this breakout here, what do we call it? Anybody? Update. Thank you. This is called break of structure. Simple. With this, we have gotten our direction, right? Now, the next thing we ask ourselves is key level, right? The next thing we do right now is identify our key level. Now, this is our extreme key level. What do we call this key level? Anybody? I've not gotten the correct answer. What do we call this key level? Kofi, thank you. This key level is our flip zone. Remember, this is our high, this is our low, right? And between this high and low, we had a swing right here. Are you seeing it? So this eternal swing is the swing that gave us what? The breakout. That is why we call it a flip zone. The last sellers, this is where they came in. And for them to protect this zone, they will make sure price reject from here for them to make their money, right? But now, if we can see clearly, after this rejection, price was unable to break this low. Price was unable to break this low, and it's giving us another structure. Right now, let's follow these structures. Let's follow this structure. This is a breakout. This is a pullback. This is a breakout. This is a pullback. Right? This is a breakout. And this is what? A pullback. Now, on eternal structure right here, are we bearish or bullish? Someone said, you are teaching good, sir. Thank you very much. All right, what is our structure right here? Guys, if you are getting value, come in right now. I see over 1,500 watching us from FYP. Come in right here. Let's do this analysis together. And also click follow because you might not see us again on your FYP. All right, what is our direction right here? Okay. Thank you, MG. We are what? Bullish. So what do we do? It's simple. We identify the high, which is what? Swing high. We identify the low, which is what? Swing low. Then we identify the breakout, which is what? Break of structure. Okay. Guys, I see your gift. Thank you very much for that gift. Thank you very much for that gift. Now, this breakout here, what do we call it? What do we call this breakout here? Now, if you are getting value from what we are doing, make sure you are liking, sharing, and also commenting, right? This is the little you can do to appreciate what I do right here. And also gifts, even if it's flower, just gifts. Don't just enjoy without appreciating. Gifts, even if it's flower, I will still appreciate it. Okay, good, thank you. So this is a breakout here. This breakout is called market structure shift or break of structure. Now, after we've gotten our direction, what do we do next? Anybody? After we've gotten our direction, what do we do next? I'm waiting for your answers, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. Kenzie, thank you. We mark our key level. Now, you see this key level we marked on daily is also here. It's also a key level right here. Good. Then we have what? Our extreme order block, which is also here. Now, this is our 2 buy zone. These are the 2 zones we want to be buying from. It's that simple. All we do right now is what? What do we do next? What do we do next, traders in the house? This is the problem I have. They are asking me, someone is asking me on the comment section that flip zone isn't going to be induced. Whether this flip zone is induced or not, that is not our problem. All we want to see is what? A market structure shift of 15 minutes after price tap this place. So whether is mitigated here and we have demand zone, whether mitigated or not, all we want to see is if price can give us a buy formation. Whether mitigated or not, we want to see if price can give us a buy formation. That is all. All right, someone is asking me, sir, do you have Telegram? Yes, I have Telegram. Click the link on my bio. You will see a link there. Click it and choose Telegram. That way you see opportunity to join our Telegram. Now guys, someone says, sir, but you are not afraid of gold to hold for long. Why should I be afraid of gold when I understand the structure? Okay, so what do we do next? Anybody? Which other pair do you want me to review, guys? Drop it on the comment section. I'm about to go. Which other pair do you want me to review? Drop it on the comment section. Okay? Which other pair do you want me to review? Drop it on the comment section. All right, majority is going for BTC. Majority is going for BTC. Okay. All right, good. Now let's go to BTC. Let's go to BTC. Now we'll be analyzing BTC. To analyze BTC, what do we do first? Guys, if you love what we are doing right now and you want to be part of it, make sure you are following us right now. We have over 1,700 persons watching us from FYP. Guys, click and join in right now. Let's do this analysis together. All right, I'll be showing you guys a key level where you'll be getting high probability setup. All right, so if you love it, you want to be part of it, come in right now. Let's do the analysis together. And also don't forget to follow. Also don't forget to click that follow because you might not see us again on your FYP. All right, let's go. Now to analyze BTC, first thing first is we clear our chart. First thing first is we clear our chart, right? After clearing our chart, what do we do next? Someone said they forgot 15 minutes. I don't have any business with 15 minutes for now. The next thing we do is we drop to what? Daily time frame. All right, now for the sake of those joining us for the very first time, we are going to do top-down analysis to know overall what price is doing. This is and another breakout, right? So the next thing we do is what? Identify our high. This is our new swing high. This is our low, our new swing low. Then this one right here is our breakout. So what do we do? What do we call this breakout here? Anybody? Livingstone, thank you. So this is a breakout here. So the next thing we do is identify. What do we do next? Anybody? What do we do next? Gently, thank you. We mark our key level, right? On our key level, this is our extreme order block. Okay. Then what next? Which other key level do you see, guys? Which other key level do you see? Ken, Mr. Ken, we identify this also. This is our two key levels. Now, are you seeing it? Now, we want to see if price will be able to sell from this key level. So what do we do next? Any other key level? Do I miss any other key level? Did I miss anyone? Flip zone, thank you. Did I say flip zone? Fair value gap, thank you. So this is the next key level we are watching out for. All right. So what do? We save this key level right here. All right. Now, after this, what do we do next? Anybody, guys, if you're getting value from what we are doing, click that follow right now because you might not see us again on your FYP. And make sure you like, share, and repost, and also gift. Also gift to show your own appreciation for what you are learning right here. Okay. All right. So majority said we dropped to 4 hours. Thank you. That shows that you guys understand. Okay. All right, so on dropping to 4 hours, what do we do next? What do we do next after dropping to 4 hours? Mr. John, we clear our chart. We clear our chart, all right? Now, after clearing our chart, what do we do next? Anybody? John Mark, we find the direction. We find the direction. So this is breakout, pull back, breakout, pull back, and breakout. Okay. After this, what do we do next? What do we do next? Rakasina, we mark our direction and key level. So this is our low. Okay. This is our high. So this is swing high. This is swing low. And this right here is our breakout. Are you seeing it? Good. Away. So the next thing we do is identify our key level. Now, is 4 hour bearish or bullish? Is 4 hour bearish or bullish? It looks simple until I sit behind my laptop. Hey, it's simple, but the but there is you need to understand the step-by-step guide. But it's simple. The minute you understand it, you see that it is actually that simple. Wow, over 1,800 people is watching us from FYP. Now, guys, don't just watch for FYP. Call me right now. Let's do the analysis together. Now, we've gotten our direction on 4 hour that is bullish. Thank you, guys. What do we do next? What do we do next? After we've gotten our direction, we mark our key level, right? We mark our key level. So this is our extreme order block. This is our flip zone. So this is our two key level, right? So what do we want to do next? What do we want to do next? Is BTC bullish? BTC is bullish on 4 hours. Okay. Please, can someone hold the swing high or swing low for that one? Okay. So we want to see a pullback, and to see that pullback, we drop to 15 minutes. Okay? Now, guys, how many of you sold from here yesterday? Okay? This is breakout. This is what? After this pullback, we wanted to see a break to this high for a continuation, but instead, price break this downside. By breaking this down here, what do we have here? What do we have here? What do we call this? Thank you. Market structure shift, right? So we identify its market structure shift. The next one we do is we mark our high, right? After marking our high, we identify the low. Okay? There's something I will show you guys here, but let's continue. We identify the swing low. Okay, guys, like I asked, how many of us sold yesterday? Okay? Okay? Are you seeing it? These are the two key levels. Now, I'll ask again. How many of us caught the trade yesterday? Remember I told you guys yesterday, after the breakout, that you can sell from here. How many of us sold? How is the trade right now? I'm still holding BTC SEC. Thank you. How many of us sold? How many sold? Remember I showed you guys that the first place you can sell is from here. Okay, so I believe by now you must have gotten your take profit, which is 1:3. 1:3. Are you seeing it? This is over 1:4. Is that simple? No, it's that simple, guys. It's that simple. You don't need too much grammar. Now, let's still finish this work here. Let's still finish the work here. Now, is this qualified to be our low here? Is this qualified to be our swing low here? Okay, some people say they are still holding. The market did shift from there. Uncle, you can do what you want on your private time. Don't come to my life and tell us how we should run our life. This is how we do our own here. We don't want to do what every other people do. We want to do something that will give us clarity and direction. All right, after a breakout, we wanted to see what? A pullback. Now, is this pullback valid? No. Now, because this pullback is not valid, we are going to use this low as our new swing low. Are you seeing it? Good. So this is our new low. This is pullback into our key level. And this is sell-off. It is that simple. It is that simple. No too much grammar, no too much complication. It is that simple. Now, if you got value from what we did right here, comment yes on the comment section. If you got value from what we did here, comment yes on the comment section. Okay, and I'm about to go, guys. I will leave you guys because I want to go and rest, then attend to my students. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to have 10 minutes conversation with you guys. 10 minutes conversation. You are a blessing, uncle. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay, now, if you are not followed us right now, click on that follow right now because you might not see us on your FYP again. One, then two, listen again. I usually host webinars on Saturdays where I teach you guys how to trade this my start strategy. All right, I usually host webinars on Saturdays where I usually teach you guys how to trade my strategy. All right, so if you want to be part of the webinar, click the link on my bio. All right, you will see a link there. Click my bio, you will see a link there. Follow that link, you will see my website or Telegram. click the link to Telegram and join me on Telegram. Right there, I'll be posting out the the link for the webinar for Saturday. All right, don't miss it. All right, I will be showing